Welcome to my tutorial. I'm gonna talk about how to install mobile applications on your computer. You can do it with all BlueStacks emulator software in your computer. Then you can use all kinds of Google Play Store applications easily. You know that what is BlueStacks emulator? BlueStacks emulator is one kind that produce the BlueStacks App Player, where you can install any kinds of mobile applications on your PC running Microsoft Windows. If you want to download this engine, then you have to go to the link and you can click on the download the BlueStacks. If you want to download this BlueStacks Android emulator for PC, then you can install. You can download this one. You see, already I have downloaded this software. So now I'm going to click on here. Just I want to install this one, and if you see this one, so you can click on allow, or don't remind it, click allow. And also you can deactivate your antivirus. Sometimes your computer will not be worked if your antivirus is enabled. So I just want to disable this security. Okay, now let's click on yes button, again yes button, Google Play Store. Installer process is running on the machine. Okay, it will take more time, just you have to wait until you install this software on your computer. Now I'm going to click on install now because I need to install this software. Okay, already I have completed my installation BlueStacks on my computer. Now click on the complete your computer, then you will see the shortcut in your computer, and it will be started automatically, and it will take 2 or 3 minutes depending on your computer performance. Complete launch your when you open your BlueStacks, then you will see improve location accuracy. Then you can click on the agree button if you want to agree with this one. Then okay, now I'm just going to agree. Then you need to set up your in previous version of Android you turn off the access your location mobile app, turn it back on, yes. Okay, now I'm going to use my languages. My language is English. Let's go. If you want to, okay, then you can also click escape button. I just want to agree. Now some application already recommended me, so you can also install any software, any application from here. All applications are actually used to use in your mobile app, but if you have BlueStacks installed in your computer, then you can use this all kinds of mobile application here. Okay, now I'm going to click on my application. If you want to install any application from Google Play Store, then you have to go to the Google Play Store. I'm just going to use, I just want to use here Emu. Click on here, install this, accept, then open. So now I am using the mobile application in my computer, on my computer, by using the BlueStacks engine. So you can install any kinds of software. When you go to home button, then you can whatever you want to install any kinds of Google Play Stores applications you can use here. Any kinds of Android application you can use here. by using the BlueStack. So if you have any problems, please make a comment on my video description. I'll try my best to help you and to figure out the problems. Thanks for watching.